Hey guys, how are you doing? It's really perfect today. I'm in the factory right now, which factory made the chair and desk for the hotel and for the house, for the coffee shop, for the restaurant. And you see, this factory is really big, and you can see that they are making a lot of spare part, a lot of the chair frame here. All right. He's the boss here today, and he will lead us to visit the factory today, Mr. Lee. All right, let's go for the furniture chair desk in the history. Busan, a very great city for a chair. We are going to upstairs to see the showroom. I could see a different style here with the aluminum frame and the PV. All right. They got different design, and the Lee has sent me the catalog.这铁的吗？铝的，都是铝的。都铝，全都铝的。是。And we are saying that all the chair they're making here is the aluminum frame, and with some is with the wood, and some are with the PV and the curtain. Alright, as you can see, many style here, many of them. Okay, there we go. I can see a lot of desks here. All are for the restaurant, the coffee shop, the bar. That is nice. I'm asking Lee to tell us how they will do the after sale service.
我觉得这个不太好说，我售后的话，我怎么跟他说呢？
你实话实说呀，是不是？你就看你们这个出问题怎么去解决嘛。
We will keep the quality 2 years, and if the items have any problem, we will
行，没关系。
I will give you more solution to deal with it. No problem. I will keep it.
Lee is saying that all the goods here, all the desks, all the chair, all the things you get from them, they got 2 years. That got 2 years warranty. And if the goods they got, they send from you got problem, they will send you the parts, and they will send you the accessory to fix it. And 那个运费都是你们包是吧？对。And they will charge with the shipping fee. I'm really happy for this service. Really happy for them. Really good service. And you can see the man style here, the sport, different type style. All right. And later on we go around the manufacturing room and see how it's working there. 行，我们去车间看一下吧。
售后这块的问题，现在很少有客人问到了。
但是这个是非常关键的问题。但你们做这个可能感觉不到，做其他东西的话，真的，因为你们这种都是 bring us to go around side the manufacturing room. I can see people working here. And things look good. I can see at the factory here are making the aluminum frame. Every one of them are making the frame. And there we go, you can see that people here are painting the frame here. Alright. It's a really big factory actually, a big factory. You can see they're doing a great job here. And here you can see it's driving. Alright, that looks good.你那个边也是在这里边吗？那个啊，行，走吧，走吧。I can see the parts here already. Very great. Okay, there we go. You can see people are making the PV curtain. All right, which is for the seat and the back. And everybody is working so hard. Okay, that's wonderful. You can see the curtain here. People making. And every curtain, they stick it with the screw there. That is so wonderful. You can see the warehouse here. These are goods which for ready to deliver. They send many of these to Europe, to Canada, to USA. They are doing great business. And there you go. There you see the chair ready to deliver. And this is how they're packing and load on the container. That is wonderful. All right. That looked nice. That looked really nice. And this is one of the warehouse, and we're going to another warehouse.
那种手柜的话，我们就是一个一个叠起来的。如果是散货的话，客人要求要看看纸箱包装的。
Lee is saying that they got two packing way. If you are loading the food container, they place the chair, the desk in this way.
Like one by one.
And if you're loading the by LCL, all right, this is the packing box they have for you. That is nice.
楼下也是仓库。
Alright, this is another warehouse where they start the goods and let it deliver. And this is all of them. Really wonderful. Wonderful. Chứ完了啊？
完了。
啊。你平时在哪里上班啊？
万科在南城。
哦。
另外一个办公室。
哦。
你们这工作做得很细致哎。
没办法，现在要求越来越高，是吧？因为现在竞争越来越大嘛。Alright, this is just the factory you see today, and this is one of the office. But Lee, he did not work here. They got another office in the downtown. Yes. Okay, thank you so much for inviting, and thank you so much for introduce guys for your factory. And I hope your business will grow. Will be bigger and bigger, and hope more clients will come to you and buy goods from you.
Thank you. Welcome to our factory.
Okay, thank you so much.